Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today we are back with another FabFitFun. This is summer 2022 and very excited. So if you watched my recent video on All True, you will know All True has since gone out of business. But I am very excited because FabFitFun has been one that has been consistently good for me. And they've been around a while. They're probably one of the longer standing subscription boxes. And I know some people that were in the All True Facebook group were concerned, or like they wanted to join a different one. They're like, but they're concerned. And my recommendation is FabFitFun. It is fantastic. So I am an annual subscriber and I do recommend becoming an annual subscriber. Not only do the boxes become a little bit cheaper, but you are able to make customize your entire box. Whereas if you are a seasonal subscriber, there's a couple that you don't get to choose. So also when you're an annual subscriber, you get to choose 2 weeks earlier. So you're going to get a better, better choice selection because some things do sell out by the time they get to the seasonal subscriber. So if you are going to join FabFitFun, I do recommend joining as an annual subscriber if you can. So let's go ahead and tell you what's in my box. Now I also do a short when I make my customizations. I do create a short of just what my choices were and what I select. So you can always, I'll do a link up here. You can always watch that, and I do that pretty much as soon as I make my choices. So if you wanted to cheat, see what I got, you can go ahead and do that. But let me walk through what my choices were for customization number 1, and they were the Free People Cara Seamless Bralette, which is a $60 value. The IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle, $62. Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream, $96. Samara Shoulder Bag Peony, $125. Draper James Woven Seagrass Tray, $45. And then there were two throwback choices. The first is the Society 6 Outdoor Blanket, worth $60. And then there was a Luxe choice for an additional $10 fee, which was the Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush Pro, which was worth $189.95. And I chose the brush for several reasons. So one, I did get charged an extra $10. It did say this will be add an extra $10 to your bundle. There's a couple reasons. One, none of the other things were anything I needed. I have way too much shampoo and conditioner right now that I can use. And the woven basket, nothing was really anything that was calling out to me that I wanted. And then the other thing was I do have, so here is the brush. I did use this today for the first time. And I had one that I had bought on Amazon. It was basically a Revlon knockoff, and it's worked really well for me, except recently it started smoking. And when I went on the cruise with my husband in February, I was standing up, blow drying my hair and I actually set off the smoke alarm in our room. So I realized at that point, yeah, I think it wasn't, it's probably best to not use that anymore. So I have since thrown that one away. And then I broke my wrist not too long after and really couldn't use anything. So when this was here, I was just like, yeah, I need to replace it. And that's what I did. And fortunately, I am able to use it now. And it worked really well. It definitely does not get as hot as the one I purchased on Amazon, which is probably a good thing because that one did get quite hot, but this one works really nice. Now, is it worth $190? No, I would not pay $190 for this, but I think it's definitely worth $60 with the ones that you don't get on Amazon that you get in, Ulta. I think that this is probably worth, $75 what those ones cost that aren't going to set off the smoke alarm. Definitely. So definitely worth the add-on $10 for me. And now I'm not gonna burn my house down. Okay, moving on to customization number 2. The choices were the We Scalp and Body Scrub, a $38 value. The Z Gallery Multi-Use Storage Duo, $45. The First Aid Beauty Ingrown Hair Pads and KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, $40. The Lily Pulitzer Lounge Towel, $47.95. Material Kitchen Stacking Canisters, set of 2 with lids, $35. And then there was a throwback choice, which was a Somersault neoprene beach tote in green blue, and this was $80. And I chose the Somersault bag. Again, talking about a cruising, this is perfect. It's neoprene, it's waterproof. This is really, really perfect. So much that they had the pink and red one in the add-on market that I purchased that one too. Very excited. I never really heard of Somersault before, and I purchased a swimsuit. I talked about that. I'll post a picture right here. I got the Marina one piece because we were going to the water slides and I wanted something that was going to be more secure. So I bought a Somersault swimsuit. That's the Marina. I'm a size 6 long torso. I absolutely love it. So I'm looking forward to purchasing more swimsuits from them. And now I'm going to try and find some that are blue or green, the blue green or the pink and red to match the 2 bags that I've gotten. So these are really nice. They're pretty, a lot of good room. It's got a little zipper. So I think these are perfect for the cruise. They don't zip, but they have a snap closure. But I think this is perfect. Really excited and really stylish too. So I don't remember this. I don't remember the Foxy band. I don't remember this from past, but they were both throwback choices, but for me, they were perfect. Okay, next up is customization number 3, and there were a lot of choices, so here we go. The Cosmetics First Blush Brightening Acai Infused in a Shower Face Mask, $54 value. The Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel SPF 30, $36 value. A throwback choice of the Kula Mineral Face SPF 30 Matte Finish Cucumber, a $32 value. New Balance Ab Wheel, a $29.99 value. Another throwback choice of the Rae Dunn Guac Salsa Bowls with 2 wooden spoons, a $40 value. The Bauble Bar Build Your Own Necklace Clasp plus 2-inch and 4-inch necklace extenders, and the Sanctuary Project Rose Serenity Necklace Bundle, $76 value. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Do Not Age Time Define Cream, $132 value. And then finally, the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Doesn't have me a value there. I chose the little jewelry bundle. So this is the necklace, and this, I really like this. I meant to put it on and I forgot, but I don't even know if I'd be able to clasp it, but I really like the necklace. I would have chosen it even if it was just the necklace. The Bauble Bar extenders, I'm not sure. It's nice to have in case I ever needed to use them. They came in this little container, which is nice. And then they are also all in their little packages. So I will keep them probably like this. I liked this where you could kind of layer your necklaces. I'm not good at that, and I do like you have the extenders. So really nice to have. Will I use them? I don't know, but I still would have chosen this anyway. I think I don't have a lot of jewelry, so anytime there is a jewelry option, I like to choose it. And there really wasn't anything else that stuck out to me. I have way too much SPF as it is, so I didn't need to add get an SPF. And the mascara, the Fenty, I've had that one. It's okay. It really wasn't one that I wanted to choose. And let me think. The Ab Wheel, no, I didn't. I couldn't even use it if I wanted to right now because I wouldn't be able to. You have to use pressure on your wrist, so I probably won't be able to use that anyway for a while. So yeah, there really wasn't anything else that stuck out to me. However, as soon as I saw the necklace, I knew that's what I wanted, and that's what I chose. Okay, next up is customization number 4, and we have the Truly Clear, Truly Gone Acne Patches, 72 count, $30. The Ilmaqui Gel Sculpt Contour in Outline, Silhouette, or Shadow, and you got one of them, $32. The Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Soy Candle, $45. The Wish Beauty Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleep Mask, $58. Another throwback choice of a poolside water-resistant pouch, $35. And then finally, the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser, $28. So I actually have the face cleanser. I don't know if I must have gotten it through here. And then I have the resistant pouch, the water resistant pouch. That one I did get. So that one I have from before. So what I chose was the candle. So this is the Lasting Smiles candle, and it says it's a cause candle. Learn more about the diverse causes we support at lastingsmiles.org. So the candle is pretty. I have a lot of candles right now that I'm trying to work through. So it's pretty. The scent is nice. I'm curious to see, because it's very light, so I'm curious to see if it's going to fill up the room. I've been burning the candles from Skylar. I'll post a link up to that video before, and those candles are amazing. They fill up the room, they fill up the house, and then they last. After you blow it out, it still permeates through the room for a good, hour or two. So that's when you know you have a good candle. So I really love the scent of this one, but I'm not sure. It's very faint, so I'm curious to see how it smells. But it's really pretty, and the only thing it's off-centered, and that just kind of irked me. So hopefully others aren't like that, but it's just something small, but it's really pretty. So I thought for what my choices were, and then I ended up adding one of them because I wasn't sure between two things. So I did end up getting the Ilmakwi Gel Sculpt. I got the middle shade, which is Silhouette, which is the medium shade, and it's really dark. And I added this on, and the only reason why I added it on, it was $7. So for me, I love a cream bronzer, and for $7, it was like, why not? But it just looks really dark. So I haven't swatched it yet, but I'm gonna swatch it here and let's see. Okay, so it's not as dark. It's a gel, so it's a different type of texture. Yeah, so I don't know, we'll see. I'll try it out and see how it works. But yeah, I mean, we'll see how it works. It actually is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. When I saw this, I was like, ooh, that's really dark, but it's really not because it's a gel. So let's see here. Yeah, so it's actually not too bad. I've wasted $7 on stupider things. So yeah, I actually don't mind this. And I think this is probably good for on the go because it seems very light. So I'm glad I went with the medium because I think the lighter one would have been pretty light. But again, you can never have too much contour, right? Okay, so now for customizations 5 and 6, only annual subscribers get to choose these. So this is one of the reasons why I say becoming an annual subscriber is worth it, because you're going to be able to pick your final 2 choices. So here are the choices for customization number 5. The Soar Desk Mat, a $29.99 value. Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer, $69. Ahava Essential Day Cream Combination Skin, $69. The Cusio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil, $17.95. The Grace and Stella Pink Eye Mask, $24. The Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile Cream, $35. And then there was a throwback choice of the TF Publishing Company Brain Teasers and Activity Book Bundle, $26 value. And I chose the desk mat. So this is it. It's Soar. So I am just trying to, I have a Mac. I upgraded. I took part of the winnings from my Wheel of Fortune. I upgraded my 2015 Mac, which was really, really slow, and I upgraded my Mac, and now I'm able to edit a lot faster than I was with that one. So I'm really excited to put this out there. So this is the mat. It's cute, and it kind of works as a mouse pad too, so you can kind of put everything on there. So really excited to try it. It looks really cute. There really wasn't anything that else stood out to me. This wasn't the most value of the box or of the choices, but this is something I am absolutely going to use. I'm going to put it on my desk as soon as I'm done filming. And finally, we're at customization number 6. Now, customization number 6 is the one that could be one item, or it could be a bundle of items, sometimes 2 or 3. So here were the choices. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Velvet, Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in Butterscotch, $1 Billion Brows Condition, Color, and Control Bundle, Natura Brazil Muru Hair Leave-In Conditioner, the Fekkai Technician Color Shampoo, the Fekkai Technician Color Conditioner, Indie Lee Koku 10 Toner, and then there were a bunch of throwback choices. First was the Monroe Watches Classic Watch in Sunburst Solar Rose, a Sonics Bluetooth speaker, Virginia Wolf Multi-Wear Wrap, 2 product bundle of Watermelon Dew Setting Spray and an After Sun Gel, or another 2 product bundle of the Espa Exfoliating Body Polish and Vosges Manicure Bundle. A lot of items to get through, and I will say the only thing, while those were the choices that were supposed to be available, the matte lipstick in Velvet was gone, and I got in right, I think I got in like at 12:05, it opened at 12, by 12:05 the lipstick was gone. So that was one of the things I had seen on the preview or the spoilers that I was interested in getting, but it was gone. Not a big deal, I have enough lipsticks, and my second choice was still available, which is the Espa body polish and the Mani Moments. So this was one of the throwback choices. I had never seen this before. I don't remember being on, so I was very excited to get this. Now this is like a get a salon worthy manicure at home. This Mani bundle is perfect choice for a girl's night in, and it essentially has like 2 manicures in a box. It has like a sugar scrub, a nourishing cream mask, and a massage butter. One is vitamin recharge, and then the other one is the green tea detox, as well as a nail file. So really fun. My nails are horrible, so I could probably use this. And then I love the body scrubs. I love body scrubs, and this one has like a menthol smell, and it's clear. So really like this. So I love body scrubs, and so this one was an easy choice for me. There was a lot of good choices though, but again, you know, the lipstick, the butterscotch was way too late for me, but was really happy with this one, and yeah, can't complain. So that is it. That is my FabFitFun Summer 2022 box. Very happy with it. Is it my favorite FabFitFun box ever? No. I am very happy with it, but it's definitely not my favorite. I think the choices were pretty easy for me because I didn't feel like I had, there were standouts. The bag was definitely one. The hair dryer, you know, it was worth the extra $10 for me. But it's not, you know, there have been some that are just amazing, but this one, I think the value is, you know, $55. I definitely got the $55 easily just with the hairdryer alone, even with the $10 extra add-on charge. I love the necklace. I think everything I will be using, and I think a lot of the stuff I will be using this summer because I will be using it on the cruise and our summer vacation. So very happy with that. I do have 3 sample boxes to give out. This is something that they do for a lot of annual subscribers. Every once in a while, they will give a sample box where you can just email somebody the code and they can get a sample box. You just have to pay the shipping and handling, which I believe is $6.95. That was what I remember it being. And you can never have gotten one before. So if you were ever a subscriber, if you ever got a box, then you can't get for it. So if you're interested, I get 3 of them every quarterly. Email me or message me on the comments below, and the first 3 people that request it, I will send it out. Again, if you are not eligible, if you've been a member before, if you're not eligible, don't request it, because once I've sent it out, I lose it. Even if you aren't eligible, I don't get it. So please, that's my only thing, is if you aren't eligible, don't ask for it. But I don't get, it's not an affiliate link. It's just it's just something that they give. Now, if you do sign up, I think I get like $10 or $15, but that's something they do for every member. I'm not an affiliate or a partner with FabFitFun. I'm just an annual subscriber like a lot of other people. So if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.